Hello friends, today is an update on the urban garden. As you can see here, we've got some healthy peas that are ready to be planted. I'm really happy with the way they're looking right now. So I've got these two big planters out in the front and we're going to start planting them. First I want to make sure that I've taken a spade and dug a little bit of a hole there, nice and shallow. One thing that always makes me nervous when transplanting plants is the root system. They're always so delicate and I always feel like they're going to snap off when I plant them. So I'm just kind of going around the edges and letting it fall into place rather than trying to tug it right out, because that could be a disaster. So my plans for this urban garden is that nice big stick there is going to allow the peas to just climb up it and trellis up the railing on the side. Because if I don't have something to help it cling to and climb out of there, then I think it's just gonna not really go anywhere. I also have some extra soil, so I'm just gonna put that in there and not waste it. That was from a dead plant. As for other things I'd like to grow, I'm thinking maybe I would like to put some other herbs and maybe some tomatoes or something as well. Alright, so the plant is in. He's gonna climb all the way up on the side. And the other one's in too. So it'll be a nice little, hopefully nice green and lush viney area. And finally, in the window box, we have some oregano and green onions doing very well on the side here. And that's it for now. So just want to post an update. It's been really hot here and I don't know what exactly went wrong, but so you can see here it's completely dried out. I don't think it's alive. Well, it actually seems like it is alive, but the leaves are coming apart, and I'm gonna try watering it tonight, but I don't know if it's gonna make it. I think the sun is just too much and the heat is too much out here. For the other one, it's gone. It looks like something burrowed in and ate it. I think a squirrel came in and just decided to have a meal. Yeah, I think having it a little bit closer in is gonna help them survive the next round. Welp, this is what we'll do. Now, all is not lost. I do have some seedlings available that I've kept growing. For some reason, I thought, hey, might as well grow a few extra ones. You never know. And sure enough, these extra ones that I've grown are probably going to be the only ones that make it. I definitely think that on this side, they have a better chance of survival. There's plenty more shade. Now, I'm definitely not going to be hasty with planting it. I'm going to wait until they're strong enough to be able to do so. The cats are feeling the heat too. They're staying on the ground to stay nice and cool. I am baking and I feel like I'm going to turn into one of those peas right now. If there's, one thing to take away from this is urban gardening is different from traditional gardening, and you have to take in different things to account, like drainage, as well as the fact that the pavement is retaining heat, because if there's not enough air circulation, or if your water's disappearing too fast, like I was watering this thing every day, then you're gonna end up with a dried out plant in like a day. So I do think that giving it extra shade than normally that it would like will help that, as well as putting it in another planter. So once the other plants are ready to be placed in the planters, I'll update on that. Right now they're a little too small. I don't want to kill everything off all at once. And we'll see. Yeah, so to conclude this video, it has been basically a failure at this point. We'll say it's been a learning experience. And as for the things that are thriving, the green onions and the oregano, we'll take that as examples for how to grow a successful urban garden for 2020. I mean, like, has anything this year gone as planned anyway? Honestly, nothing can surprise me anymore. So, yeah. Hopefully we'll have that nice viney area. Gonna have a nice cold drink very soon. Well, I hope you guys are doing well, and I will catch you later. All right, see ya.